Hey, Miss Hendry's friends. All right, new letter time. We are going to be talking about a new letter. This week, we're going to talk about the letter C. C, this is the capital C and the lowercase c. C says k, k. All right, so here's Miss Hendry in a living room, and she is covered in cats. Cats. But all of a sudden, one of the cats starts to hop up a hairball, and he says, "Isn't that gross?" Miss Hendry said, "Can you not do that? That's so gross." So letter C says, or the cat that hopped up a hairball, because that kitty cat said, all right, isn't that silly? All right, so C is for cat, cotton, couch, cold, and cow. All right, so remember, letter C looks like this, capital C, lowercase c. Miss Hendry had a bunch of cats at her house, and one of them started coughing up a hairball. Bye, friends.